G'day everybody, I am Professor Hill and we're playing Will You Press the Button? First we have, if you have claws and skeleton like Wolverine, meaning I will have the metal and the pointy fingers out. You can't control when your claws come out or go back in. But, you forgot. Wolverine needs to use his knuckles for his claws. If I just do this, my claws will not come out and have to go back in. Use your brain. Okay? So I will press the button. 34 people say they did. Because they use their brain. They use their brain. Let's see. You have any superpowers you want. Hey. Everyone will be begging you to help them every day of your life. That's basically some of the days. Like some of these days, people keep asking me for help. Okay? That's basically the same thing. And that's also giving me free superpowers. Free superpowers. Ching ching. I will press the button. See? People agreed with me. You get to live in a perfect world that you have created. You are the only one living in it. Wait, the only one. Oh. Meaning, I can create the world, but I can't create the people. So I'll be alone in a vast, beautiful world with nothing. Okay, that will probably put me insane. So, I will not press the button. No. See, people agreed with me. You can teleport wherever in the world, whenever you want. Sweet. Each time you teleport, you lose 24 hours of your life. So I'll be losing a day. Let me think. That's a hard one. If I lose 24 hours of my life span. No, but when I'm gonna press it. It's much cheaper than buying a ticket. And with this coronavirus happening, I probably would not use it properly. I just stay at home. And everybody, stay at home. And make sure you wash your hands twice. Do not go near your nan, pop, or anybody that's 60 years older. Just stay at home and relax. Read a book. Learn something new in your life, okay? Learn something new at home in a safe spot away from the coronavirus. But make sure you wash your hands twice. Really? Wait, did I press the button? Okay, that did not count. That did not count. $100 will magically appear in your wallet or pocket every day for the rest of your life. Sweet, I'll be getting $100 every day. Ching ching. You will never know how to drive. You will always crash if you do. Wait, that's including bikes, scooters, skateboards, car, go-kart? Really? I want the money, but I gotta press the button, okay? I can walk, I can take a bus, I can take a train. But, They bear with me. You will create wildlife dream come true. Wait. Your current wildest dreams come true. Okay, sorry. Leave a typo. You will never feel satisfied with your life ever. Oh, that means I won't feel happy, like proud. Yeah. So I'll be like a mouse. So I'll be sad. Ugh. Like this, my wildest dreams. I'll still press the button. It will give me something to do. Good. Will you be able to stop every war, cure cancer, end the world's hunger, and stop the global warming? But you will have to be standing by a wasp. God, that will hurt. Wasp hurts as hell. God, but I'm stopping everything. Good. Wait, yeah, that means I will be a hero because I will be stopping. I'll not be the cause of stopping. I will be the person that will be stopping. That means I will be a hero. A hero in everybody's dreams. And everybody will be telling my story for the rest of my life. This is an awesome one. I'm gonna press it. You have sex with the person you are dearest most. But you can only have sex with them for the rest of your life. Wait, that means that. Wait. Let me see. Wait. Is it meaning I'll be with the same person? I'll be married. It's basically like married. I'll just marry the girl and I'll be with her for the rest of my life. It's basically marriage. And if I like this girl, sweet. Then I can see, Bill agreed with me. You can complete all of your homework instantly. I already do that. You never get higher than a B. I want higher than a B. I keep getting C's. So I will not press this button. Okay? I already do that. I already complete all my work, except for English, because English is the hardest thing I ever can do. You have access to an infinite amount of money. Sweet. But you can never share it with anyone else, including presents. Oh! Wait. I can't share my money. But basically, if you know me, all my presents is basically brownies, cakes, and all that stuff. Meaning, I'm not giving them money. I'm buying stuff for myself, cooking it, and then sharing my food. It didn't say I can't share my money, so I'm fine. Press the button. See, be with me. You are reborn knowing everything you will have known. But this time you only live to 30. God. Wait, everything I know. Meaning I will know everything before I die. Meaning I can get a good achievements in my life. I will know everything. I will figure out I think I basically figure out the meaning of life. Basically, or meaning of everything. But I'm meaning, how are we born? That means if I die at the age of 100 or 90, probably go to 80, meaning I will live about 110, meaning I'll live a perfect life. I'll fall in love once again. I'll feel true happiness of my achievements. Sure, I will press the button. Really? People did not press the button? People, you will live about 110. You will live past like most of the elderly. You become a higher fashion blogger, but with him jump off a bridge to his death. I'm gonna skip that one. I'm gonna just say no. Anybody was dying, I'll probably say no. Okay? You solve the world's hunger forever, but you become allergic to another. Oh, wait. I think we already figured out the world's hunger problem. Okay? I heard stories about scientists cloning meat. Meat clone. So, no. Okay, this is our last one. Okay? You become famous, but you smell weird. Dude, everybody smells weird. Okay? Why isn't everybody buy packets and packets of deodorants every single day? You don't need that much. I haven't used deodorant since for 4 years. I haven't used one since, so you don't really need one. Okay? Okay? You don't need one because I'm basically allergic to deodorant, so I'm fine smelling weird. I'm fine. So I will press the button. And if you're famous, who cares? See, it's a hard statement. Okay, because like, oh, you smell weird. I'm gonna stay away from you. Really? Really? I live on a farm, okay? I smell worse things in my life are weird. I smell death once, okay? So, would you press the button? Please like and subscribe, okay? Please share to your friends, okay? And now for my last 2 minutes. Oh, I made a song for this coronavirus, okay? A safety song. You need to stay in your homes. Always wash your hands. Make sure you wash your hands twice and sing happy birthday when you wash your hands. Always stay away from your nan and pop. Do not go near them. Do not infect them. Stay at home. Stay at home. There's more things to do at home. So, stay at home. Do not go near people. Make a circle about 1.5 meters around yourself. There you try to stay away from other people.